Can you people tell that it's 4th of July here?
How can you not tell?
Good point.
Not like anyone just kind of randomly declare it.
Yeah, and it's sort of across the whole beach. But the good ones are over here right now.
What is that? Is that another one of those things? Oh, it's another one! Yeah! Wow. Forget that. This is on the beach. You can't tell. Whoa! Woo! I swear, it's like a competition.
Yeah, I know.
But these people are like, what is that?
Well, looks like it's dying down a little bit.
Really
I'm gonna stop now. Well, never mind, not stopping.
Never mind, don't stop.
Yeah, seriously. Yeah, I think I'm gonna stop this time.